Before we start, let's get the actual sizes of the wiper blades for the BMW i8, because online there's a lot of wrong information out there, even on reputable stores. So for the driver's side, end to end is actually 29.75 inches or closer to 30 inches. That's the size for the driver's side wiper blade. And on the passenger side, end to end, it is 24 inches. Now we know. Hello and welcome to the channel. In this episode, we will be replacing the wiper blades for this 2015 BMW i8, and we will be replacing them with silicone wiper blades from Aliexpress. Now, the only reason I bought it from Aliexpress because one PIAA wiper blade is $40, and this set of wiper blades, silicone wiper blades on Aliexpress, is only $15. Now, fair warning on Aliexpress, please read the fine print because their ads and sales are very confusing and sometimes misleading. For example, on this ad, you can see it says silicone, then a bunch of words, then at the end, coating. So these are silicone coated wiper blades, not really silicone wiper blades. And even from the seller where I purchased these wiper blades, on his ad it says silicone wiper blades. But when you add it to your cart, on its default, it's pointed to its rubber wiper blades that he's also selling. So you have to select silicone wiper blades, which is very confusing and misleading to buyers. So just be careful when you're purchasing your wiper blades on AliExpress. Now let's go back to our wiper blade replacement. As I said on the intro, the driver's side is 30 inches and the passenger side is 24 inches. Let's put the wiper arm in maintenance or service mode. Now the reason that you need to put the wiper arm in maintenance or service mode is because on the passenger side, the joint spring arm will hit the hood if you try to raise it, and it's going to damage the end of the hood. On the driver's side, you can get away with it because it clears the hood, but on the passenger side, it's going to hit it. So let's just put it on maintenance mode. It's the proper way of doing it anyway. To put it in maintenance mode, press the start-stop button once, then one more time, then hold the wiper switch up for 3 seconds. And as you saw, the wiper blades went on service or maintenance mode. Now we can replace the wiper blades. With the wiper arm in service or maintenance mode, raise the wiper arm away from the windshield. Now before removing the wiper blade, put a soft foam or towel on the windshield to protect it from the wiper arm in case the wiper arm slams back on the windshield, and it will prevent it from damaging when the metal part of the end of the wiper arm hits the windshield. For the BMW i8, it uses a slide pin attachment for the wiper blade. So to remove it, you turn it 90 degrees or perpendicular to the wiper arm, then slide it out of the pin. That's the pin. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old wiper blade and the new wiper blade. And as I mentioned, there's a lot of wrong information out there because they gave me the wrong size. This is a 28-inch wiper blade, so this is slightly shorter than the OEM wiper blade. Let me see if I can show the difference. There, it is slightly shorter. But 1 or 2 inches is not going to be a big difference. Now let's take out the cover for the blade itself, and we can verify that this is a silicone wiper blade that's on there. So let's install this new wiper blade. Installation of the new wiper blade. It is simply the reverse order of how we remove the old wiper blade. So turn this perpendicular again to the wiper arm, slide in the pin in the hole, and push it in, then turn it 90 degrees, then we're done. Remove your protective towel on top of the windshield and put back the wiper arm on the windshield. Let's do the same procedure on the other side. So same process, raise the wiper arm, put your protective towel or foam on the windshield, turn the wiper blade 90 degrees and pull out of the wiper arm. Side-by-side comparison of the old wiper blade and the new wiper blade. Let's take it out of its plastic bag. And they are the same size. Take out the protection for the wiper blade. And now let's install the new wiper blade. Installing the new wiper blade. Put it perpendicular to the wiper arm. Slide the pin on the hole on the wiper arm. Then turn it 45 degrees or 90 degrees. Then take out your towel and put back or lay down the wiper arm on the windshield. Now let's put back the wiper arms in ready position. Press the start-stop button once, then press down on the wiper switch. And now they are back in ready position. So we're done. And that is how to replace wiper blades for this 2015 BMW i8 with silicone wiper blades from Aliexpress. Thank you for watching. Hello and welcome to the channel. In this episode, we will be replacing the Hello and welcome to our channel. In this episode, we will be replacing the wiper blades on this 2015. In this episode, we will be replacing the wiper blades. Now, first warning on Aliexpress. Please make sure you're. Now, warning on buying. Now, I bought the wiper blades, silicone wiper blades, with silicone wiper blades. It says on the ad, silicone wiper blades, but they sell both rubber and silicone wiper. And even from the ad, the seller. But when you add it to your cart, by default, on its default. And even from the seller where now it says that it's silicone wiper blades, but when you add it on your cart, by default, it goes to the. Now, as mentioned on the intro, the wiper blade sizes is 30 in. Now going back to our wiper blade replacement. Now going back to our wiper blade replacement. To put it on maintenance mode, press the start-stop button once. Then one more time. Then hold the wiper switch up for 3 seconds. Put a small cloth or a soft foam on the windshield to protect it in case the wiper arm slams back on the windshield. This will prevent it from getting damaged.